morning and welcome to Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Allie.
Hello, I'm Courtney.
Hello, I'm Macy.
And I'm Logan, and we are here to provide you with the news for today, Friday, September 11th.
Please remember, if you have any trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.dcps@davis.kbyschools.us.
Hey seniors, are you interested in learning more about the Kentucky Wesleyan College? If so, the KWC admission counselors will host a virtual Google Meet and greet seniors who are interested in learning more about becoming a Panther on Tuesday, September 15th, from 11:30 to 12. A Google form must be completed in order to attend this Google Meet. Check your email for the form or contact Kelly Spall at Apollo for another Google form link. And for those of you who are interested and cannot attend this session, the session will be recorded and posted on the Apollo Class of 2021 Google Classroom, along with the admission counselor's contact information.
Every day.
Every Eagle.
We all Apollo.
We celebrate differences.
We take care of each other.
We value personalized learning.
We foster a positive
and safe environment.
We empower students
To become responsible.
successful adults.
We are always an Eagle family.
Together we soar.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on red light status, you can pick up your free meals from any DCPS school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Check the DCPS website for the curbside meal pickup service times at each location. Apollo's serving times will be from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini student drop-off and pickup areas.
This evening, the football team opens their season at Owensboro High School at 7 p.m. Good luck and go Eagles. Thank you and have a great weekend.
Want to make sure that everybody remains patient with us in the mornings. With us going live on YouTube, it brings on another technology challenge in the mornings. So, and please understand that Miss Morris is a one person show until the kids can start coming into the building. So please continue to be patient as we get ENL going each morning. Wanted to remind everyone some things. Today, being September 11th, is Patriot Day. And it's so hard for me to believe that all of you students, considering that today is the 19th anniversary of that horrific event that changed America and honestly the world forever, every one of you students were born after that event. So let's always keep this day in mind and always remember to accept challenges and understand that there's other ways to work out differences. And so on Patriots Day today, I'll always remember the time that that day was and how much it has changed the way I look at things. Also want to remind everybody about the game tonight. I was so encouraged yesterday to see the girls soccer team defeat Butler County, a resounding defeat. Our girls played well, played very patient throughout the game, and played very good possession soccer. And so I want to congratulate these ladies and Coach Woosty for the win last night. But the best part to me was to be able to see our kids being involved again. I hate the thought that we can never go back and get back what we missed out on in the spring sports. But to see our students involved really meant a whole lot to me. So it's unfortunate that we have to limit our seating at these games, but we remember we're doing this to be safe, always taking the safety and health and well-being of everyone in mind in making all these decisions. So for right now, we're limited to 20% seating capacity. We are trying to get our families to be able to come and enjoy the games. And so please be patient as this progresses, and hopefully everything goes well and we can open it up to more people attending our events later on this season. It's important that we all continue to follow the mask protocol, social distancing, washing hands. Washing hands is the best thing that you can do to prevent contracting the virus. Yesterday I was very pleased to see that even though that it was an outside event, everyone that I saw, especially the younger siblings that walked by as they were going to the concession area, everyone was masked. If they didn't have a mask, they had their shirt pulled up above their nose. And the adults, everyone did a wonderful job with that. So if you're wondering what that looks like, I believe we're going to be okay as long as we continue to follow that. Tonight, watch the football game since you won't be able, but most of you will not be able to attend. It will be live on WDRB.com. So please join in and let's cheer the Eagles on tonight as they take on the Red Devils. Birthdays today and through this weekend: Skylar Conley, Jared Durbin, Valerie Esparza, Cameron France, Chloe Kays, all today. Tomorrow, James Bowen, Caitlin Burns, Cassidy Doherty, Lily Martin. And then Sunday, Douglas Gomez Salas, Jose Hernandez, Brenna Logston, E. Moo, Gavin Snyder, and Abby Wilkerson, all celebrating birthdays this weekend. Let's make it a great weekend. Let's all stay safe and see everybody back on Monday.
Justice for all.